channel. So we are here now in Sungei Buloh Wetland Reserve here in Singapore. So it's quite far in the city. So we travel like 25 minutes or 30 minutes to see this park. For so long here in Singapore, but it's our first time to come here. So we will vlog some of the photos of the nature and the animals too. So here they have the observing water birds, and I haven't seen those birds, and let's see if we can find them. Okay guys, thank you. Guys, so I don't want to go there because I'm afraid it's quite, it's scary. Look at this. Babe. Go inside. I'm afraid.
So this is a building used to monitor the wildlife and the birds here. So you can go upstairs and then you can look at the birds. But right now it's close to construction.
Into the nice place of Sungei Buloh. So it's really nice because you can see a nice view of it, and as you can see on that area, that's Johor, right?
Yeah, Johor.
That's Johor, Malaysia, guys. And we saw some, maybe it's a crocodile that's moving there on that side. They are 2 or 3, they're like moving, so it's far away, and we can't see it, of course, because crocodile is very so it's like
what's a crocodile like, baby?
Oh, there's a moving there again. I'm just thinking like
can't see the crocodiles.
We can't see the crocodiles,
no.
Guys, they're just like moving. So hello guys, so remember the bridge that we showed you a while ago? I will show you again. They call that the understory. Understory is the layer between the canopy and the forest floor. So you can see a lot of snakes, reptiles, and small mammals into the shrubs, herbs, and vines. So when you heard something, the crickets, right? But they call it the cicada or what? Maybe the scientific name is cicadidae, something like that. So they say that when the cicadas stop making their incessant calls, you should find the nearest shelter, as it is an indication that it's going to rain. So that's it.
Hi guys, So we are in front of this little playground. I'm not sure it's for adults, but we'll